मॉर्निंग फ्रेंड्स। अब आपके शहर में आ रहा है श्री 420 4 रूल्स 20 formulae. Now I'll be starting with 4 rules. Here are the 4 rules. Look here. And 20 formulae. Number 1, sum rule. ddx of u plus v is ddx of u plus ddx of v. ये जो ddx है अंदर जाएगा, पहले u से राम नाम करेगा, फिर ये v से राम राम करेगा, hello करेगा. Firstly ddx will hello with u, then it will hello with v. So it will become ddx of u plus ddx of v. Same way, difference formula. ddx of u minus ddx of v. Product rule. There are 2 boats, u and v. We have to travel in one boat at a time. Leave u, ddx of v, plus leave v, ddx of u. Quotient rule. Always write denominator as v square. Start with v in the numerator. ddx of u minus u ddx of v. Now these 20 formulae, whose 20 formulae we will be finding the derivatives. They will be of inverse trigonometrical functions, logarithmic functions, algebraic functions, trigonometrical functions, and exponential. I late. So let us start. Number 1, inverse trigonometrical functions. देखिए 4 rules हो चुके. Now we are going with 20 formulae. Number 1, ddx of sine inverse x, it is 1 over under root 1 minus x square. ddx of cos inverse x, same but with minus. So please take it for granted that derivatives of the complementary functions, that is cos, c, it stands with c. Once it starts with c, the answer will be in negative in all the cases to come. ddx of tan inverse x, it is 1 over 1 plus x square. ddx of cot inverse x, it is starting with c, it will be same but with minus. ddx of sin inverse x, it is 1 over x into under root x square minus 1. ddx of cosecant inverse x, it will be the same but with minus. So these are the 6 formulae. Let us go to next L. I late के हिसाब से I late. So ddx of log x is 1 over x. ddx of log ax plus b, it is 1 over ax plus b into a. जब भी आपको log का डेरिवेटिव निकालना हो, आपने बोलना है log फायर 1 over फायर. x की जगह फायर बोल दीजिए. ddx of log फायर 1 over फायर. ddx of log ax plus b, log फायर 1 over ax plus b. But it is not x, so we will have to take its derivative as well. So it is a. This is power formula. It is very powerful. It will be used in almost all the cases, all the questions. ddx of x raised पर n, n नीचे उतरेगा, एक पावर कम हो जाएगी. Now ddx of 1 over x, it is basically x raised power minus 1. So it is also power formula that way. Here n is minus 1. If we take n minus 1, it will become minus 1 over x square. ddx of root x, it is 1 over 2 root x. ddx of constant, it is 0. Now let us go to trigonometrical functions. ddx of sin x is cos x. ddx of cos x starting with c, it will be minus sin x. ddx of tan x, it is secant square x. ddx of cot x, it is starting with c, it will be in minus. So को इधर लगा दो, को इधर लगा दो, cosecant square x. ddx of secant x, it is secant x tangent x. ddx of cosecant x, इसके आगे को लगा दीजिए, को लगा दीजिए, को लगा दीजिए. So it will become, since it is starting with c, it will be in minus. So minus cosecant x cot x. Let us go to the last one. Starting with e raised to x exponential functions. So derivative of e raised to x is e raised to x. Mother भी यही है, daughter भी यही है. Now let us go further. ddx of a raised to x. So exponential functions are when the powers are in variables. So a raised to x का derivative a raised to x into log a. Now how to find the derivative? By first principle. So you have to remember the mnemonic ISD Limited. Take it, it is a company's name, ISD Limited. Step 1, I stands for increment. The function is y is equal to fx. Give some increment to this. Give some increment to x. There will be increment in y. So y will become y plus delta y. X will become x plus delta x. I हो गया. अब s subtract. Now subtract. Second में से first घटा दो. Subtract first from the second. It is y plus delta y minus y. It is f x plus delta x minus fx. Divide by, next is d, divide by delta x. So let us divide this. Delta y by delta x. So fx plus dx minus fx over dx. L stands for limit. Take the limit. X goes to 0. Delta y over dx. Delta x. It becomes dy by dx. So formula becomes limit delta x goes to 0. Fx plus delta x minus fx over delta x. So this is what I wanted to teach you today. I am very sure that you might have understood that ये श्री 420 आपकी सारी प्रॉब्लम्स को दूर कर देगा. इंटीग्रेशन बन जाएगा बच्चों का खेल. Thank you very much. Keep on watching my videos. If you like it, please do subscribe it. Good day. Bye.